Hi, this is my first day starting Virta, so I thought that I would record how things are going for about 30 days to see how I'm feeling, how the program is working for me, how much weight I can lose within a month. I need to lose a lot of weight. Right now, I'm 216 pounds, point 0.9. And my goal is to be at least 160, 165. I'm tall, so I think that'd be great for my height. So, what I plan to do is talk about what I'm eating each day. I'm going to do something about it. I wanted to start the end of the day, but I don't know. I just decided to go ahead and start recording. So, how I'm doing my first day. First, let me tell you a little bit about Virta. Virta is a plan that their goal is to help you with losing weight, or if you pre-diabetes or diabetic, to help your numbers to get better. It is a paid program. I think people can join and pay, but also different companies will sponsor um, being on the program. So I'm actually in one where um, the company that my husband works for is sponsoring, so it's free for me. So basically, when I decide to sign up, they get my medical information to see, whether I'm a good candidate. They look at my numbers, talk with me about it, discuss about the program. And what I like about it so far is that there is an app that I was able to download. It has so much information on how to eat. This particular program, it focused more on low carbs and yeah, it's more so like low carbs, but I mean, you're not ignorant of what you can and cannot eat. They give you so many resources through the app, through online. There are Facebook groups if you're interested in learning more about it. I'm still learning about it, so don't know everything about it yet. But I know that I did get a packet which came with a scale and glucose, um, a thing where I can check my numbers, check whether I'm in ketosis, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, and some other stuff came with it. I'm sorry, I'm just kind of a little bit on a tired, not tired, but just I'm just my first day, so. But it has a lot of information. You have a coach that will help walk with you, especially in the beginning. So I like the support system so far. I was able to ask whatever questions I wanted to ask. So I will, like I said, process my journey and every day and to see how I'm doing. Right now, I just had breakfast, and my breakfast today was sausage, couple eggs, two sausage, couple eggs, and greens. Okay, that's kind of like a nice low carb. And I cooked my eggs in olive oil. So after eating that, I feel okay. Also, it's very important to drink lots and lots of water, and that's not a big problem for me. That's what I'm doing. So far I feel okay. I do feel like maybe I'm not super low energy, but I can tell that I didn't have no like high carbs today because carbs really give me energy. One thing they say in the beginning, you may suffer fatigue. Um, yeah, that I think that's one of the main things. So they want you to kind of follow what they say in the beginning. So we'll see how I do. I'm excited to share this, record this, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you.